Apple took a bit of a turn when this news hit the wire, Mark. Give us the context, bring us up to speed. What's happening exactly?
Yeah, so 2 years ago, Apple and OpenAI announced a blockbuster partnership that would integrate ChatGPT into parts of the iPhone, the iPad, and the Mac experience. This was part of the new Siri and Apple Intelligence that rolled out with iOS 18. But the implementation of the new ChatGPT features has actually been quite limited. It's in places like Image Playground, writing tools for writing generation and image generation, and you can ask Siri to get you results from ChatGPT. But it's not baked in as integrated as OpenAI had expected. OpenAI had expected this to be a multi-billion-dollar initiative for them on an annual basis ahead of an IPO, but it's actually been quite limited. And so OpenAI is very unhappy. They've tried to renegotiate the deal with Apple executives, but believe things have stalled. And they're now at the point where they are preparing possible legal action in the near future against Apple to try to come to some sort of resolution here. They're hoping for a resolution outside of court, but they have, like you mentioned, hired an outside law firm to work with its in-house legal team on this. And so this is at a fairly serious stage, we're told.
So alleging breach of contract, not fully at the legal stage yet, let's say, Mark, but I mean, could this be something that we might see with other partnerships and between other parties?
Right now this is focused on OpenAI and Apple. Obviously, in the AI universe, you have a bunch of companies fighting for that share of the pie, and a bunch of companies working together and not wanting to work together. So I'd be surprised if there was not more litigation and other legal matters to come across the entire AI industry, not just involving Apple and OpenAI.
It reminds me a little bit of the era of browsers, right? And when they were being included in various platforms and in various devices. So what should we expect now as a response from Apple? Will we get something public, you think?
I wouldn't anticipate so. They're not commenting on this. For what it's worth, they have their own gripes with OpenAI, concerns about OpenAI's privacy practices, concerns about OpenAI's staying power as a company, concerned about the leadership of OpenAI. And obviously, Apple has been furious for over a year, given that the AI company has been pillaging its hardware engineering ranks for talent for its own AI work.